Hi, it's Friday. I thought I'd start trying to shoot videos. What I want to talk about. I know, I was going to say, for people that are healing, I know narcissism is like a huge topic right now. It's not a good angle. I can't really hold it. Here, hold it like this. I know narcissism is a huge topic right now. A lot of people talking about it. Hold on, like that. I got it. Ready? Okay. So I wanted to say, definitely if you need to heal, you want to get over somebody, you can buy yourself a fixer-upper. You'll have lots of other things to distract yourself with. There's always something to do. You can see my house in the back there. There's some wood that needs to be replaced, some paint that needs to come off. Got the curtains there. My grandmother gave me that curtain that's too small. I was tired of people looking in my window, so I'll put the other curtain up. Anyway, definitely having a fixer-upper. You're going to be busy. You're going to be way too busy to be thinking about your ex and what they did to you and whatever happened. Because there's going to be mice. There's going to be something that's broken, something that needs to be fixed, a leak. So many different things will happen. I moved up here about 3 years ago. And, it's had its good times. It's definitely had its bad times, too. I started painting, which is nice. I got paint all over my floor because I'm just messy, and it's my house, and I can do what I want. My mother came up and saw my floors, and you could tell she was really annoyed, but I was like, you can't say that. It's my house. It's my house. If I want to paint the walls, I'm going to paint the walls. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to say that if you're looking for a project or something to do, I've seen a lot of women are survivors of emotional abuse, or people just trying to reconnect with themselves and heal, create channels to help other people and give them guidance. So I guess here I am. Got a lot of pimples. I'm really awkward on camera, but let's try it. I guess that's all for today. Peace out.